Welcome to Product Critique. In today's review, we are going to talk about the best Pinky Winky Hydrangea tree, the Buart 3PCS Long Stem Big Size Flowers Artificial Silk Hydrangea. If you're looking for realistic and vibrant artificial flowers that bring elegance to your space, you are in the right place. Let's dive into why this hydrangea set is a top pick for home decor enthusiasts, event planners, and anyone looking to add a touch of nature without the maintenance. This set includes 3 large artificial hydrangeas with lifelike, real-touch petals in a beautiful peach-pink hue. Each flower is designed with high-quality latex material, making them feel soft and comfortable to the touch, unlike traditional silk flowers. The flower heads are detachable, adding to their versatility and making them easier to arrange or store. Standing at 21 inches tall, each stem is sturdy, and the flowers have a wide diameter of around 8.7 inches. This size makes them perfect for both large and small arrangements. The stems are crafted with a combination of plastic and iron wire, which allows you to bend them easily, fitting your floral arrangement needs without hassle. Whether you're creating a bouquet, decorating a living room, or setting up a table centerpiece, these hydrangeas can adapt to any setup. One of the best features of these artificial hydrangeas is that they require no maintenance. Unlike fresh flowers, they won't wilt, and there's no need for watering or trimming. These flowers stay fresh and vibrant year-round, making them a long-term investment in your home or event decor. Plus, they have no odor, ensuring they're pleasant to the senses. These flowers are perfect for a variety of occasions. Whether you're decorating for a wedding, a baby shower, a special event, or simply adding some charm to your home office, the Buart hydrangeas are a great choice. You can place them in a vase, create beautiful floral arrangements, or even use them for DIY projects. Their lifelike appearance makes them a stunning addition to any room, whether it's the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or dining area. What makes them stand out is not just the realistic look but the fact that they're eco-friendly, washable, and tear-resistant. They're designed to withstand the test of time, even with regular handling. Whether you're using them indoors for a special occasion or as part of your regular home decor, these hydrangeas offer a level of durability that's hard to beat. In conclusion, the Buart 3PCS Long Stem Big Size Flowers Artificial Silk Hydrangeas are not only beautiful but also practical and durable. They bring a natural touch to your home, wedding, or event decor with zero maintenance, making them a must-have for anyone who loves the look of flowers but doesn't have the time to care for real ones. If you're ready to transform your space with these stunning artificial hydrangeas, don't hesitate to check them out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews like this one.